Welcome to LAFFORT's Introduction to Celstab, a trusted and proven non-subtractive approach to cold stabilization. Celstab is made from carboxymethylcellulose, an inhibitor of tartrate salt precipitation to prevent the formation of crystals in your wine by blocking the binding sites on the potassium tartrate surfaces. Celstab's 10% solution optimizes stabilization and integration into your wine, allowing for long-term stability with minimal impact on a wine's filterability. Celstab significantly cuts both monetary and overall environmental costs. Celstab can be implemented into a wine days before bottling, reducing time in tank. There is no change in a wine's pH or TA associated with other stabilization techniques. With Celstab, you can keep your wine as intended and maximize its lifespan with lower DO uptake and years of stability. One of the most common questions we field is, when do I add Celstab? It's simple. Celstab is the last ingredient added to a wine in preparation for bottling. Any modifications that change the underlying wine chemistry, such as blending, tannins, mouthfeel, and acid adjustments, should be done prior to addition of Celstab. Our easy-to-follow wine preparation checklist outlines every step for using Celstab. Contact your LAFFORT tech rep via our website to get this checklist. While we will not go over this in detail, here are a few key considerations for using Celstab in your wines. A wine must be protein heat stable prior to the addition of Celstab, otherwise it can bind with heat unstable proteins and throw a haze. Color stability is an important part of stabilization for any wine with coloring matter. Celstab should only be used on color-stable wines. Consult a local lab or your LAFFORT tech rep for color stability analysis. Celstab dosage is the easiest part. No need to figure out different dosages for different wines. Once your wine is within spec of everything on the Celstab checklist, there is one flat dose of 1 milliliter per liter. There are many types of testing out there for cold stability, but only some are suitable for use with Celstab. Reach out to us to learn about the pros and cons of each. For now, know that you shouldn't use a potassium concentrate product test, freeze test, or Davis conductivity test, as these are not validated within Celstab parameters. Valid tests include the OIV 6-day cold test, DIT, and CheckStab. Your LAFFORT tech rep can help interpret your test results. Once samples have passed all testing, allow your tank to warm to at least 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Add Celstab by diluting into 2 times its volume in wine before mixing thoroughly into the rest of the wine tank. In the case of sparkling wines, add Celstab at tirage to avoid the risk of gushing if done later. Thank you for your attention learning about Celstab. With practice, the process becomes intuitive and you'll reap the benefits of reduced costs, timing, and most importantly, the improved quality of your wine. Reach out to us to get started.